On-page SEO with the help of AI is an exciting development that can improve the performance of websites. AI can be used to analyze website content and make sure it is optimized for search engine rankings. AI-powered algorithms are able to identify high-value keywords, generate meta descriptions, and optimize page titles for maximum visibility. Additionally, AI can monitor user behavior on a website to ensure pages are being served up in the most effective way. With its ability to process data quickly, AI can drastically reduce the time spent optimizing websites while giving them a better chance of ranking in search engine results. This technology is revolutionizing the way SEO is done and will continue to do so as advancements are made in artificial intelligence. On-page SEO checklist. On-page SEO checklist is an essential tool for any website. It helps you to ensure that all the content on your website conforms to SEO best practices and standards. This includes optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, images, videos, and other multimedia content. Additionally, it also checks for duplicate content and keyword density to ensure that your website appears in search engine queries. Furthermore, the checklist also scans for broken links and HTML errors so that you can fix them before they hurt your rankings. Finally, it checks for the presence of alt text with images so that search engines can better understand what is being displayed on a page or post. Ultimately, an on-page SEO checklist allows you to optimize your website's performance and visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. Keyword research tools to prompt your on-page SEO. When it comes to optimizing your search engine presence, keyword research tools can be extremely useful tool. These tools are designed to help you identify the most popular and relevant keywords for your website or web page. They can help you select the best keywords for your content and make sure that it is optimized correctly for maximum visibility in search engines. Keyword research tools can also give you valuable insight into how competitive certain keywords are, giving you a better idea of how much effort will need to be put into optimizing your content. Additionally, they can provide recommendations on related terms, helping you to expand the reach of your content even further. All in all, keyword research tools can be a great way to get started with on-page SEO and help boost your visibility online.